guys, so I have another Michael's grab box. I think it was Sunday that I saw somebody post that their grab boxes were 3 for $10. So I went to go look at my store and it was still 5. So I did pick up one more. And I picked this one because through the little hole I could see that it was more Creatology. So that's why I picked this box. And right now that I opened it, I can see that there's Creatology and something else in there. So I actually really like this kit. I bought it when it was 80% off. So I think it was like 80 cents or something. It's really cute. So I do not mind having another one of these. So these like little banners you can use and decorate for anything. It doesn't have to be Christmas themed. And then you get these sprinkle snowflakes. You get the word Merry. These are like epoxy stickers. These stickers are really nice. And then you get some thread over here. So I am not mad at all about having another one of these. Oh, okay. So I was curious if they were all the same thing, and they're not. And this one I actually never saw like when I was shopping. I missed it. I don't know. So this is an embroidery kit. That is really cute. Okay, so you get, what is it called? Your canvas, your embroidery hoop, needles, some pom-poms, some beads, and then your thread. Okay, I really like this. I have been wanting to do an embroidery hoop, like stuff pocket. I haven't made one in a very long time, so I might end up using this for maybe Easter. Okay, that is really cute. I'm happy that I grabbed that one. Oh, wait. There's another one exactly like that. Perfect. So, so you can see right here, they use the pom-poms as part of the tree decoration. So I can keep one for making my loaded embroidery hoop. And then I can see if my mom wants one, because she likes doing like needlework stuff like this. Okay, here's another one. I do not remember seeing these at all in the store. How crazy is that I don't remember seeing these, and then here they end up in a box. I wonder if they were in the back somewhere. Maybe they pulled them out. I have no idea. So this one does a snowflake. Oh, wait. Okay, so this canvas is white, and over here it's showing pink. Interesting. So you get a pink canvas, you get your thread to do your snowflake, your needle, your hoop, and then some little beads to decorate. And then it comes out looking like that. Cute. See, here's, oh, this one has bells. Okay, again, I don't remember seeing this pom-pom garland. Oh, it actually comes with the pom-poms already. So my mom was making little beanies and she was wanting to make some pom-poms. So I wonder if she can use these. I'll have to show her that. And then you get beads, and then you get a couple bells and some twine. Okay, these are awesome. I am definitely going to be pulling this apart. I am not going to be using these for Christmas necessarily. Like with these, with this pretty color right here, or the yellow, you could do like a bee theme. With this one, you could do like a spring theme, a little banner, and then send it out in some happy mail. And then, I'll show you like this one I have and I really like. So like, this is what I was saying. These like epoxy stickers in here. Not puffy stickers, I guess they'd more be. They're not exactly like epoxy stickers. And then you get all of this thread, and then you end up with the banners. And it does show you how to put it together. And then here's your snowflake sprinkles. So like I said, they're really good kits. I bought these at 80% off. So like this one I knew that I would love because I already have it in my stash. But like I said, I am not sad to have more. Let me see if there's other kits in here. You guys, I am super stoked. I just counted. I ended up with 19 different box kits from these Creatology ones. So I pulled out the 3 that I haven't shown you yet. I am so excited about that. This box, I think, might be my best box yet because all these little kits are great. The ones that I don't want to use, I can always send it with my nephew to school so that way the teachers can look through it. So this is awesome. I'm so excited. So this one makes a nativity scene. Like, how cute is that? So you have your little animals, you have your baby Jesus, you have Mary, you have the three wise men and Joseph over here. Like, this is awesome. And you get some paints down here, some glue, a brush. And all of these are tools required. So I wonder what else you need in here. I don't know, but this is great. So love that. I also have a snowman ring toss. So you and the kids can paint it, and then you can go ahead and try to get it around your little snowman right here. I think it's funny that his hat is an ice cream. That's really cute. Like, did an elf go and dump the ice cream on his head? What happened there? This one was really cute. And again, I don't remember seeing this kit in the store. So this one is a cookie garland. Really cute. So here is what your garland looks like up there. And then here are your supplies in the back. So I love this. I can use this for my regular crafting, no problem. Love that. Okay, then like I told you guys, there was something else in here, and I don't need any more. But let's dive in. Oh, okay. Well, as I say, I don't need any more. I have ribbon. And this is Christmas ribbon, but look, this is black and like a gold. I need this. Just as it says I don't need it, I need this. This is Halloween. I love Halloween. So I'm definitely going to keep the black one. I did get this in a previous box of this like fuzzy sweater kind of red. And I had said that I wasn't going to keep it, that I didn't need any ribbon. And then you guys gave me the great suggestion that if I do a swap, I can send some of this out in a swap or to wrap my swap or happy mail. And I think that is such a good idea. So I am going to keep some of this, but some of this I am not going to keep. Oh, this is really pretty. I love doing blue and silver for Christmas. That is really pretty. I like this. And this is like a velvet. These things are expensive full price. $13 full price. So we have that one. This is actually like different than what I got previously. I used this last year. I had got one of these in a grab box. And I used it in a St. Patrick's Day. A little journal book thing that I made. So this is really pretty. There's this one. So this looks like wood, but I don't know if you can tell there's glitter to it. The one I got in my previous box, I don't remember having glitter on there. So I think this one might be different because I don't remember that. I could be wrong. And it did have glitter and I just don't remember. Ooh, look at this. Oh, this speaks to my little dark heart. So we have some black glitter. I want to try to die cut this. Like, how cute would this be for like a witch's hat or Santa's boots? I really, really like that one. Okay, this box, like I said, there is tons of ribbon in here, but it is blowing me away with how much good stuff is in here. Oh, look, I didn't get this green one. So this matches the red sweater here. I do not have this one. So I will keep that. That's really nice. Let's see, there's some more red. Let me go through it and let me pull out what is different. Wow, this box is amazing. I ended up with 17 spools of ribbon in this box alone, plus the 19 Creatology kits. And this was the only other item that I found that I had not already shown. So I have some Christmas tulle here. Full price was $13. And I think it's snowflakes. I kind of want to open it, but then I kind of don't because I don't need it right now at this moment. And I think I would need to cut it open. But I think there is silver snowflakes printed on this tulle. Wow, that was a whole lot of items in this box. Like I said, I feel like this was my best box yet. I'm really, really happy with it. When I bought the $10 ones, they weren't that good. They were really disappointing. My $5 boxes were better. This was a $5 box, and I'm super happy with it. I think this is going to be the last one. Like I said, I went to my store. They weren't on sale like other people were getting. I know the lady was in Florida, and I think there was somebody in New York that had posted online that they got their grab boxes 3 for $10. But I'm not going to run out to another store. I just don't have time right now, and I really, really don't need anything. But I'm really happy with this box. I'm so happy that I decided to pick one more up. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.